In this video, I will show you how to sign up for the Lululemon affiliate program. So to do this, open up your browser on your phone or desktop and just search for Lululemon affiliate program. After doing that, click on the first link that is from Lululemon themselves, and it's called Affiliates and Creators. Now here are the 3 steps you need to take to join. So sign up for the program, then learn their brand guidelines and earn commissions. So just scroll down a bit further and you can see they have the affiliate program and the creator network. This one is for social media content creators and this one is for media, editorial publications, bloggers. So I will apply for the affiliate program and that will take you to AWIN, which is a network of affiliate programs. Now from here to sign up, just enter all of these details. Then next, enter your promotional type. So how are you going to promote the Lululemon affiliate program? Then where are you going to promote it? So that's where you add links. And then in the verification, just verify your email address, perhaps even your identity. So just follow all of these steps and then you will have applied for the Lululemon affiliate program. And then if they approve you, you will get an email and then you can start creating links for the Lululemon products. And if someone buys through your link, you will then earn a commission. So now you know how to sign up for the Lululemon affiliate program. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.